Excuse my voice right now because I'm sick, but today we're going to still talk about how Miles, Spider, Sakaro is a traitor. But first, we're going to discuss how he tried to clown Norm so hard for being in all of Grace's video logs and giving Grace looks all the time. And that's exactly what he does with Kiri. So, like, my guy, chill on the hypocrisy. So the first reason I think Spider is a traitor is because he did not pass the torture test. And no, this is not torture. This is some Green Lantern fanfic up and nothing more. So real torture is like waterboarding, ripping someone's nails off, pulling their teeth out with no anesthesia. This is not real torture. Real torture traumatizes you. And I'm sorry, does he look traumatized? No, he's literally just sitting there pouting. Just pouting, no trauma whatsoever. He wasn't tortured. Reason number 2. Why is he having fun? He gets on the helicopter thingy and immediately starts playing with the gun. My boy is having so much fun that Quaritch has to get that mind right. Reason number 3. The total lack of animosity on Spider's part is baffling. I mean, has he learned nothing from Loak? Playfully making fun of someone is called ribbing. And that's being friendly, actually. That's not something you do with your enemies. Number 4. What is this? But placing your hand upon someone's knee is affection. Spider is a damn traitor. You do realize we're about to be on reason number 5, right? Okay, reason 5. This is called participation. Spider does not need to be there when they're doing this to the Tolkien. Why is he there? He could have got this from a video log, any other way. He doesn't need to get this information firsthand. He is participating. Reason number 6. Why is Spider walking around freely on this ship? And I understand Quaritch told him he had a tracker in his little face mask thing, but I never saw Spider change his face mask, which means Quaritch could just track him whenever. And I do need to go rewatch Fire and Ash because I'm just confused about that whole thing. I swear I never saw Spider change his mask. But that's besides the point right now, because do you realize that Loak said, Nateum, let's go back because we can't leave Spider? When Loak should have just realized, oh, Spider is running around this ship freely and is not in actual need of help, probably because he's a traitor. And so we should not go back for him and Nateum would still be alive. Number 7. Why do I have 7 reasons if he's not a traitor? Why? We all know that Spider saves Quaritch from drowning, which is not the actual issue. I'm not even counting that as number 7. No, number 7 is what he did next. It could have been written that Spider dragged Quaritch to the Meccaina so that they can put him on trial or whatever. But no, Spider literally helps this man escape justice so that he can do even more damage in Fire and Ash. I still like Spider as a character. I just think the way they wrote him is completely wrong because what they were going for was him not being a traitor, I believe, but he looks so suspicious. They could have fixed that by having him pass actual torture tests and making him more animosity. I don't know if that's the right word. Giving him more animosity towards the humans. And actually, if he's gonna save Quaritch, deliver Quaritch to the Meccaina for justice. But they butchered Spider, and as of right now, he's a traitor.